you loved, and you only wanna hear their voice again. Have you ever fallen too